Now, research shows that real-world project-based learning is both more effective and more equitable than traditional instruction. 80% of teachers want to use it, 1% do. That's because it's 5 times harder to find, plan, and adapt to the twists of a real-world project. But with Sidekick, you can find projects that tie to current company problems or bring your own partner and have a project automatically aligned to your standards. We then provide fully flexible project plans that adapt, which means when the world changes, so does your curriculum, so you're never caught unprepared. Schools and teachers can buy Sidekick for as many classrooms as they'd like. We use machine ontology learning to power our projects, which means the more customers we get, the smarter machines get, the lower our costs. Once again, I'm Chris of Sidekick, and we're bridging the real world in the classroom by helping teachers turn any problem into project-based learning. I'm going to show you what it's like to be a teacher using Sidekick. So this is the teacher's Sidekick. You can search for the perfect project based on standard, topic, and many other things. These projects might be from the partners you onboarded or someone else. So if I wanted to search for a project that's a good fit for an AP English class, I might do a natural language search like this and find that Priam Global is the best bet for me. So I can then dive into what that project entails. Who's the contact? What's the problem? What are the key deliverables and questions that need to be answered? And then I can see what are all of the learning possibilities that are going to happen with this project and how confident we are that they're going to happen. So this looks perfect for what I'm looking for, so I can go into kind of the project designer. And here I'll see probabilities around which standards will be addressed, as well as which paths students are going to take and how the learning changes for each one. And I'm prepared for all of the most likely outcomes. So this looks pretty good. If I wanted to, I could go in and customize each part of the sequence of the project, which learning outcomes and anything else I want to change or add. But I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm just going to move on to the monitor. Here I can keep track of students' progress along the project and as well as along the learning. Sidekick will notify me if someone needs help, or I can come in here and dive deeper into what students are learning and what they're working on. And I can make updates on the fly. So here we see what are they building, what are they using, and we can also see what are they learning. And I know that I told Team 2 to watch a video, so I'm going to add that to the resources for them to look at. Come down. I'll probably make updates to the resources later, but you can see Sidekick's already making an estimate of how that's going to affect the team. And then that'll be reflected later into the monitor. So this continually happens with automated recommendations and customization.
Hi, I'm Ashwin. I'm the COO of Sidekick. Before this, I was working at BCG for 3 years in Singapore, and I had a successful education startup also back in Singapore. I'm really passionate about working at Sidekick because I'm thrilled to be helping kids find their personal passion in life.
Hi, I'm Heather and I'm the Chief Learning Officer here at Sidekick. For the past 10 years, I've been working as a special educator for students with emotional and behavioral disabilities in the IEP, 504, and RTI processes. That led me to alternative education and becoming a behavior analyst. I'm excited to help those outliers redefine their personal value and worth through Sidekick.
Hi, I'm Sarah, Head of Development here at Sidekick. For 5 years, I worked in nonprofit development before transitioning to digital literacy education. I'm excited to be a part of Sidekick as we work to empower teenagers to become lifelong learners and problem solvers.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm the Head of Design with Sidekick. I spent the last 8 years working in media production, design, training, and writing. And what I'm most excited for at Sidekick is to make the big picture more relevant to students' educational experiences.
I'm Chris, CEO and Technical Lead at Sidekick Education. I started in corporate VC before moving into data science and product management for analytics. I'm super excited to unleash the full potential in young people.